having chili night. 1 large onion, 1 Fresno, some crushed garlic, yum, and a jalapeno. And I cut out all the seeds. That's where the heat lives in chilies. I'm adding some salt to sweat it out. Then we're gonna add 2 pounds of ground sirloin or plant-based meat substitute. You can use 4 tablespoons of store-bought, buy this right in the grocery store of your choice. Bought this one in Brooklyn, a chili powder blend. I make mine for this dish with arbol, guayo, and ancho. I also use chipotle chili. What I did was take these guys, these whole peppers, and I seeded and gutted them and took the tops off. Then I did this. I toasted them in a pot and I put them with some stock or water, doesn't matter, and reconstituted them and pureed them. And we have our toasted chilies reconstituted in their stock, fattened up in stock, okay? Now we have this glorious ruby brown color in our chili. We're gonna add more spice and more flavor. We're gonna add 2 spoonfuls of cocoa powder, unsweetened dark cocoa powder. We're gonna add a teaspoon or 1/3 of a palmful of smoked cinnamon or cinnamon. And we're gonna add the same of cumin. And we're gonna stir in the cumin, oh my God, and the chili powder. Wow, does that smell great. Now we're adding fire roasted tomatoes. If I can get around my husband's arm. Red beans and black beans. And now we let this sucker cook. So the last weird thing we do is we add a drizzle of maple syrup or honey. I know it seems weird, but I'm using smoked maple syrup from La Boite. And you just have to add a little sweetness to balance out all that heat from either your 4 chilies or your 4 tablespoons of chili powder, right? All right. Then we bring it on home. Honey, you want a little hot sauce on yours?
Sure.
John said he wanted a little touch of hot sauce, just little dots across the top. So there we go, my darling. There's your din din. Oh, wait, no, wait, no, wait. I know my husband. Cheese, please. Smoked cheddar.